Alright, this is going to be the elevator at my grandpa's new apartment. Before, picture this. Here's a 270 SBO, exit signs, and emergency lighting. And we got some classics. Here's a classic over here. Anyways. That's the door. There's a classic up here. Let's head down to 1. And this is in Tacoma, Washington. Just Alright, let's head on another elevator. Okay, if I can see if I can find another elevator. Here's the fixtures down here. Alright, here's another elevator. This is elevator 1. It's not ADA compliant. Let's head up to 4. There's a classic over there. Alright. Here's this sign. Yeah, this is Gibson Gardens in Tacoma, Washington. That's a nice chime. And now we're up to 4. Here's certificate tag. Alright, we're now up to 4. Here's more classics. See if I can find another. So I heard of like a couple elevators here. Not exactly sure how many. Not sure if it's just those 2 or it's also if it's also more elevators. I'm not exactly sure. Oh, here's another elevator. This one is elevator 4. There's me, and then there's another classic. And yeah, these are interesting fixtures. And here's the stairs. There's a 270 SBO there. Alright, I'm gonna head down to 3. I think there's 4 elevators in this. But I'm not exactly sure. Alright, we're now at 3. Yeah, these fixtures, that the chime for going up and going down is not on. Alright, we are now on 3. Let's see if I can find one more elevator. I think there's 4 elevators in this building. And I'm gonna head down to 1. And then I'll head back up to 2. Yeah, this building's full of classics. Wait, oh yeah, got emergency lighting here. the one doesn't work, or the test button's not in there properly. Let's see if this one will work. There. Incandescence. This one's LED. This one's also self-test. Okay. Anyways, there's elevator free if I could find another elevator in this, and then head down to 1. Here's another emergency light and smoke detector. An emergency light, but that one. It looks like a newer 270 SBO. That one's elevator free. Try to find there should be an elevator somewhere down here. There's another emergency light. There's the stairs, and there should be one more elevator here. I think, maybe, potentially, maybe not. There's another emergency light. These are really stiff buttons, and sunlight smoke detectors, and classics. Okay. I'm down to 1. Not sure where that other or another elevator could be. In this. Alright. Button. Alright, I'm heading down to 1. So here's a cab view. Alright, we're now heading down to 1, and then here's tag in this one, car free. So there's 4 cars in this building, or 4 elevators. Huh. Okay. See if I find one more, and then we'll be done for today. Here's more emergency. Most of these are just everywhere here. These generics. I was just here at this lobby here. Lobby area. It's a red exit sign, which is interesting. But yeah, look on the outside. And then more emergency lights. Not sure, it might be a free elevator. The other elevator, anyways. Alright, I'm gonna head back up to 2 now. And then I'll end the video there. These are 2nd gen classics They're fixed 1575 Candela. Kind of feeling kind of bouncy. Alright. One last time in the elevator and then I'll end the video. These are kind of interesting elevators. Okay. There's the elevator fixture in there. And there it goes. Alright, that's it.